Hey everybody. I wasn't planning to film this one, but I got the paint all poured on and it is so pretty that I just had to start. It is, I mean on here it just looks like black, but it is, it is Liquitex Basic Ivory Black mixed with, as you all know, my fave. Whoa, where is it? Iridescent Medium, Artist Loft. And this black is such an awesome black. This is the other black I've been using. Here is, there's all the numbers if you want to get your paint mixed up like that at the hardware store. But, and that is a black, but the artist, or the ivory black, the art paint is just, it's richer, it's deeper color. And then the iridescence is beautiful. So I just sold the one that is, I can't think of what number video, but it's like this and the white string pull, and it ended up looking like a dove. I resined that, and that one I delivered today, so that one was sold. So I'm not sure how this goes, if this was one that I'm going to keep or sell, or not quite sure at the moment what I'm gonna do. You guys keep telling me to use a heavier string, but I'm liking how the others have turned out. Plus, I haven't bothered to look for a heavier string around the house, so this is what we're going with today, just twine. And I am working on a MDF, and it is some goofy size, because it is the leftovers from when I got the MDF cut, so it's kind of a weird size. But the black with the iridescent is just so beautiful. I wish that on camera it picked up like it does, because it's amazing. And somebody, I've also gotten comments, why don't you have the white next to you? So now I do. I have it right in front of me, and you're right, it is a heck of a lot easier. I don't know why I've been reaching over this whole time. It's like when things are just so obvious that they just smack you in the face. Well, this is one of those times. There we go. And I have, you know, at first I was all concerned because when I do this, the paint gets different not consistencies. This is thicker than right here. There's not a whole lot, but it does even out. Ooh, it's pretty. It's kind of like a heart and right now it's a dolphin or whale tail or whatever. But I'm going to ruin it so it's not anymore. And I am just dipping it in my regular white Dutch Boy paint. And then I am kind of setting it on, I don't know if you can see or not, setting it on the paper so it's not so drippy. last one will be I think it will be yeah, that is way down. Hopefully that levels out. I usually don't tilt these very much, but I'm gonna tilt this one some. I'm not crazy about that big white area. Slowly coming down. Yeah, as I said, normally I don't tilt them, so they retain that real geometric look. Yep, I am messing with this one. It's okay. Yeah, that part worries me a smidge, but I think it'll be all right. I'm going to bring you down and see if if the iridescence will show up. Well, the camera makes it look like it's grainy white, but it is there. It's so pretty. Yeah, see, that's the part where it got pretty thin, but it should even out. So there it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.